Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Hobby Technology. Today I am going to be talking about the best gadget for students. I know that as a student we are always looking for ways to save time and money, and this gadget can help you do just that. Number 1. Rocketbook Everlast Smart Reusable Notebook. Most students fell into one of two campuses when it comes to taking notes at university. Those who prefer to write them by hand and those who had rather type them up. Well, thanks to the Rocketbook, we can now do both simultaneously. All you need to do is write in the Rocketbook using the special pen provided and then scan it all using the Rocketbook app. Your pages are then optimized and digitized, meaning you can search for specific words just like you would with typed text. Assuming your handwriting isn't absolutely applying, of course. Number 2. Anti-thief laptop bag with USB port. We know it's probably easier to just take your laptop to university in a tote bag. But we had said it's time to upgrade before your laptop suffers a career-ending injury. This highly rated laptop bag comes equipped with a USB charging port to keep your phone powered up on the go, as well as the option to lock the main compartment with a passcode for added security. Number 3. Amazon Kindle. Even you are die-hard fan of physical books, the pain of lugging university textbooks around every day might convert you. Before you invest in a Kindle, make sure you are actually able to get the crucial books you need for your course in e-book format. Most of the big name textbook will definitely be on there, but some obscure ones might not be. And remember that while you can sell old textbooks, you can do the same with ebooks. The latest model of the Kindle Paperwhite comes with Bluetooth and front light screen that has a adjustable warm light, and as is the case with most e-readers, the battery can last for weeks on a single charge. Number 4. External hard drive. So this one might not be the most exciting of gadgets, but it's super important to have a reliable backup of your work at university, especially when you get into your dissertation and several thousand-word essay. The last thing you want is for your uni laptop to break and to lose all of your work as a result. An external hard drive like this one from Western Digital can store a backup copy of pretty much your entire laptop, up to 1 terabyte, which should be plenty. Number 5. 3-bit quiet plus noise cancelling headphone. Noise cancelling headphones are an absolutely good scent when you are trying to block out the noise of the flat party upstairs, or when you are trying to get in the zone at the library. The deadly creamy are the Sony WH-1000X M4, but coming is at 200 to 300, they are not exactly friendly to the student budget. 3-bit White Plus headphones are a great budget alternative, and having tried them ourselves, we can confirm they represent excellent value for money. Although the noise cancelling capabilities aren't quite up to the levels you had find at the top end of the market. At least then half the price. This is surprise, and that's not to say they can block noise out. They definitely do, and you will notice just how it will when you switch on the ANC active noise cancelling. The headphones fit over your ear, which we found made them a lot more comfortable to wear for long periods when compared to some on-ear headphones, especially if you wear glasses. And of course, they are also Bluetooth enabled with a 3.5 mm audio inlet, also built in a case you are out of battery or you are using a device without Bluetooth capabilities. Number 6. 3-bit X Sound Go Bluetooth speaker. Portable speakers are without a doubt up there with the very best gadget for students. Pre-drinks, house parties, picnics in the park, and watching movie on your laptop. Having a good quality portable speaker will always come in handy. The 3-bit X Sound Go is small and affordable, but packs a hell of a punch. The battery lasts for up to 24 hours. We didn't charge hours after receiving it, and it powered through a few weeks of use while cooking dinner. And to top it all off, it's waterproof too. Number 7. Xiaomi Mi Band 4. If you are keen on staying fit and active at university, but you are less keen of forking out on an expensive gym membership, then a Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is a solid time-term investment. Fitbit is undoubtedly the biggest name in the fitness tracker game, but at least then half the price and with most of the same functionality. The Xiaomi Mi Band is the ideal budget option. Like a Fitbit, the Xiaomi brand tracks your heart rate, including when you work out, to help your monitor changes and reaches your goals. It can also use your heart rate to track your sleep patterns, allowing you to see how much deep sleep you are actually getting. After all, deep sleep is the part that counts. Number 8. Laptop tray with fans. Prepare to get your essay written while sitting on the sofa or in bed. We won't judge. Then this cooling tray will be serious help. It holds laptop up to a width of 70 inch, and the inbuilt fans ensure that your laptop is never at risk of overheating. A genuine danger if you place it on top of your duct. Conventionally, the fans in the tray are significantly quieter than what's inside your laptop, so you are not just replacing one irritating noise with another. There are also two USB slots, on the back of the tray, meaning this gadget not only makes up for the slot it uses on your laptop to power itself, but actually adds a USB slot to your laptop. Ideal if you are trying to charge your phone, use the tray and back stuff up to a memory stick. Thank you very much, everyone. So those are my top 8 picks for the best gadget for students. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any other question, be sure to leave a comment below. And please subscribe my channel, share and like my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.